Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit World. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $10,000 personal loan with no credit check pre-qualification. Yes, and remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please if you like our content, please like this video. It helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great stuff for you on Credit World channel. Remember that in this video we are going to show you step by step how you can get this personal loan with its application as well, and all the upsides and the downsides, including the perks as well. So without wasting any time, let's start the video and the countdown begins. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the loan I'm going to review today is from Prosper. Yes, you can get this loan for up to $10,000. In some circumstances, there are the rare cases where you can get up to $25,000 as well, but I am limiting myself to $10,000 because that's the majority of the people apply and get it. So yes, I want to be as realistic as possible and I will tell you each and everything in this video, so please watch this video till the end. So let's talk about what are the things that you need to know. So the first thing, they say that you can use this loan for many purposes, such as consolidating debt, home improvement, medical or dental bills, big purchase, auto repair, and many more. So when I talk about many more, it means that you can use this loan for pretty much anything and you don't need to give them any reason. And this is what I love about the financial institutions who actually give you the freedom to not to tell them why you are using that funds, because for most of the financial institutions they restrict you that hey, what sort of problems you have and why you need this loan. So sometimes you get stuck in it and it's really pretty much impossible for you to get the loan. So right here, this is an amazing opportunity and I love it. So first thing, what you can do, it's pretty easy. You can check your rate, so you can select your personal loan amount. I will show you each and everything step by step, so bear with me. And then you need to answer a couple of questions. I will show you that as well. So as soon as you do that, they can actually give you an offer. So what I mean by the offer though, they will give you an offer with just a soft pull. Yes, you can see that right here, checking your rate will not affect your credit score. So yes, checking your rate and your offer will not affect your credit score at all. So what it means by that when you apply for it, they will do a soft pull, and soft pull is no credit check, means there will not be a single effect on your credit. So what they do exactly, by checking your credit with a soft pull, they will give you an offer, and as soon as they will give you an offer, that's the final decision. So even if they do a hard pull, and they will do a hard pull if you accept it, so that hard pull is just a requirement, or you can say a mandatory step that they have to follow, but the decision they gave you with that soft pull is the final decision. So remember and keep that in mind, that of course even if they are going to do a hard pull right after you accept the offer, it's not going to change their decision. Then they said that your money goes straight to your bank account via direct deposit. So yes, they say that they will do it in next 24 hours, next 24 business hours by the way, but I have heard from the people it took around 48 to 72 hours for them to get the funds as well. So keep that in mind. So don't just think that it's gonna come in 24 hours. It can, but most of the time what I heard from the people that it can take up to 48 to 72 business hours. So what it means that if you apply the loan on Friday, so expect it to come by Tuesday or Wednesday, because Saturdays, Sundays are the weekend. So keep that in mind. This is really important. They do compare their loan with the credit card. They say that with personal loans, a fixed interest rate. Yes, remember it's a loan, so their interest rate are pretty high as compared to other options such as credit card as well. In credit card, of course, the interest rate can vary, but with the personal loan, it's fixed. But remember, it's high. So I'm already telling you, if you want to get this loan, you can get it if you really need the money. So please then apply for it. And if you feel like no, I can just hold myself, I'll do something else. So just there's a lot of and tons of options on Credit Viral channel for you. So don't forget to check those videos as well. You know that we bring great content for you. So please like this video, it helps the channel, and like it right now if you haven't done it yet. So, and then remember, they said that checking the rate will not affect your credit score. So we are going to go towards the application now. So let's do it. Let's click on the check your rate. So the countdown starts. 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as I do that, they will ask you how much you need to borrow. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put an amount what I'm just making this video for. So I'm going to put $10,000. So I put $10,000. As soon as I do that, I'm going to click continue. So I'm going to click right here. Then they're gonna ask me that how do you plan to using this loan. It's consolidating that, home improvement, medical or dental bill, big purchase, or you want to buy or purchase a vehicle, your household expenses, special occasions. Remember, special occasions, what I told you about, that you can get this loan for pretty much anything. You can get this for your business as well, though this is a personal loan, and this is an amazing option that I've seen right there, that you can actually use this for your business as well. But using a personal loan for your business expenses is never ever a good option. So never do that, because we have plenty of options for you on Credit Viral channel. So do watch those videos before you make any decision on this personal loan as well. And please, if you haven't liked the video, like it right now, it helps the channel right now. Then you can just pay your taxes if you have something that you owe from the IRS. So you can actually get this loan to pay the taxes as well. You can actually get it for vacations as well as baby and adoption. This is an amazing thing. And other, as I already told you, if you don't want to tell them, so you can just always click on other if you don't want to tell them why you need the loan for. So yes, this is what it is. And let's click on vacation and click on continue right here. I'm gonna click just me. As soon as you do that, they will ask you your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address. And remember, this will not hurt your credit score. They are going to ask you for your social security number. It's the general rule that they have. You have to follow it. You have to give them your information. And then when you do that, what they are going to do, they are going to do a soft pull, means it's a no credit check offer. So what it means, that as soon as they do a soft pull to your credit, they will give you an offer without affecting your credit score. So as soon as you give them, if you accept it, they will do a hard pull right after that. That will affect your credit score. But remember that even that hard pull will not change their decision what they've given you with that soft pull. So yes, this is all about it. I'm not gonna go further with this video because they're gonna ask some internal questions, and I don't want it to be revealed right here, that you can actually do it yourself. Everyone has their own specific and a different situation, so you can just fill this application according to your needs. So remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video if you like our content. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.